friends, welcome back to Bhavya the Chef.
Hi friends,
This is me,
welcome back
Bhavya
to
Sharma.
Bhavya the Chef.
And today
This
I
is
am
me,
going to tell
Bhavya
you
Sharma.
how to make
And today I am
pizza
going
sauce.
to tell you how to make pizza sauce.
So first we are going to take 4 tomatoes and make a crisscross on the bottom of them. Now we will put the tomatoes in some boiling water to blanch them. The tomatoes have been blanched and now we will drain the water out of the tomatoes and take them out. Now we are going to start peeling these tomatoes. Now the tomatoes are peeled and we will roughly chop them. After chopping these tomatoes, we will put them in a blender to get some tomato pulp. Tomato pulp is ready. Now we will put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a hot pan. Now we will add 1 teaspoon garlic. Now we are adding half cup of chopped onions. Now we are adding the tomato pulp. Now we are adding 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 3/4 teaspoon of sugar. Now our pizza sauce is ready.
Spread this sauce on your pizza base with some
Spread
vegetable
this sauce
toppings
on your pizza
and
base
have an
with some
amazing
vegetable
taste.
toppings.
Also, don't forget
and have
to
an
like,
amazing
share,
taste.
comment, and
Also, don't
subscribe to
forget
my
to
channel,
like,
Bhavya the
share,
Chef.
comment, and subscribe to my channel, Bhavya the Chef.